might as well make an effort to get it really nice and round now. So what I said earlier about a little trick to get things perfectly round, just cut them kind of nicely, file them up a little bit. I filed the last little notch I got on mine, and then just try and find one of these where you can tap it down on. If you can't, which is usually the case, what I do is I get the bottom of like one of my punches, the flat back, just tap it down into there. The only thing to look out for is to make sure that's perfectly horizontal and your punch is perfectly vertical. And you don't have to hit things that hard, you're only taking the edge off. See that? Just minutes from finishing sawing it out. That's a really perfect disc.